टेक लेते हैं।
Hello friends, I am Sai and I am 10 years old. Hello friends, I am Shivraj. I am 5 years old. Hello friends, my name is Tianika. I am 5 years old.
Namaste. A warm welcome from Jigisha. We made these paintings at JD Art. So come along, paint with us.
मैंने ऐसे किया.
Alright, before we start, let's take a closer look at the paintings. All these 4 paintings have been made using flat brushes, small and large flat brushes. I personally like Weldon brushes. And we have also used earbuds or cotton swabs. This painting has been made with acrylic colors which come in the form of small bottles as well as tubes. They are available in the form of small tubes, medium tubes like these one, and even large tubes. This painting has been made using oil colors which come in the form of tubes. For this painting, we have experimented with oil pastels. We have used oil pastels for detailing in this painting, and this experiment has really worked out quite well. Oil pastels are available in various shades. For this painting, we have used brush pen for detailing. This is a nice pack of a dozen pens. These are called as brush pens and it can be used from both the ends. This end is for the fine lines and this one is for thicker lines. And we found out that the brush pens work quite well on acrylic. I won't suggest them to be used on oil paints. This is a nice set from Adgel called Little Artist, and it's quite reasonable. It's for 150 rupees only. Now we have to start with a yellow circle. Paint it till the center in round motion. Yes. Then this circle will be in cadmium yellow. Which color is this?
Cadmium yellow.
No. Paint this circle.
मुझे भी चाहिए.
Round motion. Like this. बातें कम, काम ज्यादा. Pay attention to your work. Fill that white space. Good. We have started with the third circle now. That's the ochre yellow. Which yellow is that?
ochre yellow.
Very.
That is ochre yellow, ma'am. Ma'am, is it okay? पर देखो कैसा है.
Look at you. You किधर है? You're not taking instructions. Round and round. Right. One more yellow red.
First light green. Light.
Sit properly. Sitting posture is also important when you do work. When you work, you should sit straight.
Ma'am,
Well done. There should be no white spaces. Cover the white spaces properly.
तो ये क्या करना?
Awesome work.
किया है मैंने.
Now we make a circle with the help of a lid. Good.
मैम मेरे को थोड़ा अलग डिजाइन दो ना. ये लो मेरा. मैं करके देती हूँ तुझे कुछ आता है.
Yes. Now we mark the petals. You are going correct. करो सारे petals mark कर लो.
मैम मैं इसे रोज बनाऊं क्या? सिर्फ एक लाइन का वो नहीं पेटल्स बनाऊंगी, थोड़े 3 लाइन का पेटल्स बनाऊंगी तो वो अच्छा लगता
ठीक है.
है. तो आपके पास अगर कुछ अलग डिजाइन होगा मैम. How to do the black one? Ma'am, my turn.
Yeah. Nice.
मैम
Good.
आपने मुझे थोड़ा
Make such dots
काबू करो.
along that circle. Huh?
मैम ब्लैक कलर
See, the your spaces are left now.
मैम ब्लैक कलर. मैम फिर मैं
यहाँ पे. हाँ, one more round. Now we use brown color. ठीक है? So ये ऐसा make a circle with brown dots. Keep the palette to your right hand side. यहाँ पे palette रख दो. हाँ. Overlap कर लो ना. Overlap the dots.
उसके ऊपर
हाँ बिल्कुल. हाँ. बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छे. Now we are using the third color. Which
Sap
color is
green.
that? Yes, sap green. Yes, turn the canvas as per your convenience. And now we have to paint every tip of the petal
orange.
with orange color.
मैम
Ah, nice. Good. Give one more coat. सारे petals में और एक coat दे दो orange color का. Cover that yellow portion between each between the two petals, each pair of petals, that triangular portion. Cover this completely. यहाँ पे yellow नहीं छोड़ना. Turn the canvas. Yes. Every time turn the canvas. And then paint when you are comfortable with the position of the canvas. Yeah, sure. We are making border for the petals of the sunflower.
Ma'am, ऐसे करना है?
बिल्कुल करो, आराम से. Exactly on the petal, Be careful. Aram se, don't be so fast. Be careful. Lovely. See, we have covered all the yellow triangles between the petals with green color.
I'm finished.
Lovely. Wonderful. Very nice. Good job. Excellent. Now let's make border with
Black color oil pastel.
We have used oil pastel for